Reaching Cars presents the 2025 XPeng G9, a masterpiece of modern modification. The 2025 XPeng G9 is a stunning blend of cutting-edge technology and bold modifications, redefining what a luxury electric SUV can be. Under the hood, the dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivers an impressive 543 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.9 seconds. The upgraded 98 kWh battery extends the range to 435 miles WLTP, supported by 800 volts ultra-fast charging, adding 200 miles in just 15 minutes. The exterior features a redesigned aerodynamic kit, including a carbon fiber front splitter, widened fenders, and a sleek rear diffuser. Matte gunmetal gray paint with neon blue accents gives it an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The 22-inch forged alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport EV tires, enhance grip and stability. Inside, the G9 boasts Nappa leather seats with laser-embossed patterns, heated, ventilated, and massaging functions. The dashboard integrates a 15.6-inch 4K touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, powered by the latest XSmart OS 5.0 with AI voice control. A 28-speaker Dynaudio Confidence audio system delivers immersive sound, while ambient lighting syncs with driving modes. The suspension has been upgraded with adaptive air springs and electronically controlled dampers, ensuring a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. Brembo carbon ceramic brakes provide unmatched stopping power. Autonomous driving is handled by XPeng's XNGP 4.0, featuring lidar, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and 5 high-definition radars for Level 4 readiness. Thanks for joining us on Reaching Cars. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 XPeng G9, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more futuristic car content. Drop a comment, what's your favorite feature on this modified beast? Until next time, keep reaching for the road ahead.